shots for Kon, red shots for Karma.
There you go. Kon Jarvin immediately starting with his footwork, trying to establish his range, controlling the space in between.
And Kon looks jacked. And don't get me mistaken, Karma looks big as well too.
They somewhat look equal in size, I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah, both of them are like strong lightweights.
Karma has the height advantage, I guess, but I don't think that will matter too much. Those are just like a couple of inches.
And Karma is actually feinting and he's biting to those feints, like he's moving accordingly back.
Good leg kick by Kon.
Good leg kick and then a good exit post that.
Karma is also picking up his leg. He's expecting that leg kick. You can notice he's lifting his left leg up, being prepared.
So that's
Kon goes high with his
so he went
left
high.
Yes, Kon is going high. He's mixing it up, the levels, the leg kick and the head kick.
He was setting up a pattern for that. Kon Jarvin has got eyes, bro.
Karma using his feints and fakes.
Oh, that was beautiful. He went with the uppercut.
Oh, clashing in the center.
Exchanging combinations.
Girish, you rightly pointed out how Kon is being defensively responsible. He's throwing the shots and then exiting the pocket. He's not staying there to get countered.
That's very important. Like, you should exit on time. Don't stay up over there clicking pictures and getting tagged.
That's a good way to think about it.
He
Oh,
got
good
him.
counter.
That was a great overhand right and a jab post that. That's a sign of a great striker.
Kon looks the
Exit with the
calmer of
jab.
the two fighters.
Bro, he
hard
squeezed them through
shots.
that combination.
Hard shots, but Karma said, bring it on. I'm ready. I'm prepared for this.
You know the best part? Kon is just not throwing unnecessarily. He's saving himself, and when the opportunity presents, when the footwork presents,
Yes.
only then he throws. See?
Showing signs of matured fighter, but Karma will soon need to like add the takedown element. That was a good overhand right.
Oh, that's good, man. He's throwing right and shifting with his left hook.
the right
He got
hook.
him.
Oh! Those are some
That's
hard
damage going to
shots.
body now.
Those are some hard shots.
Karma is finding himself in trouble when he's closing that distance. Whenever he closes that space, Kon Jarvin is getting him.
So Kon is doing the counter striking here. Karma is trying to move forward and you can see he's getting countered every single time. Maybe a time to switch strategy for Karma. Let Kon come in and maybe look to level change, add the striking and the takedown element together.
They'd have to mix it up. I don't think it's going to be right decision at this time right now, especially in round one when they both are fresh and have a lot of energy to go with striking along with Kon Jarvin.
Yeah, and
Yes.
when I
He's
spoke
clearly
with
getting the better of the two.
Kon, he told me he's focused a lot on his strength and conditioning and grappling this time. Volkanov-
Straight right hand down the
Oh,
line.
that was beautiful.
He senses the blood!
God, it's a finish. Oh my God!
Kon Jarvin with the upset of the night knocks out Karma.
Man,
Kon
Kon
Jarvin,
Jarvin,
what a
what a
prospect.
combination.
And a good show of respect to the coaches. But Kon Jarvin has made a statement here in NWC.
Guys.
He has turned over the crowd. You can see that. The crowd is cheering for him. What a beautiful display of martial arts.
Please listen to this. The combination that he tagged him with.
In Kon Jarvin.
I mean, striking
Man.
matchups are always a treat for crowd, man. Like, they appreciate it.
Man, all the fights, I cannot put one fight which has not gone down the wire, which has not elevated our heart rates.
Bro,
And this is the
NWC
beauty of mixed martial arts, bringing people together. Even though he's from India, the crowd in Nepal appreciate and
That's the sign of a smart audience as well. So kudos to them. They appreciate.
the fight replay.
You can see right against the cage over there. Karma gets trapped. Now he gets attacked by those left and right hooks.
Kon Jarvin!
Man,
Good display of camaraderie.
Maybe the crowd might not like the decision, whatever the outcome happened, but they do.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with your winner, Kon Jarvin. So, Kon, what a performance. Just ended quickly. Was that your expectation, or you expected the fight to go longer than that?
I don't know, man. I just go with the flow, man. I thought Karma will shoot me a bit earlier, but he wanted to stand and bang, so props to him. Hey, this is MWC, where dreams turn into reality. The NWC wanted to create an MMA scene here. This is the MMA scene. It's a reality now. And they want their homegrown fighters to get better and better. That's why they got me. A tough fight. I am the tough fight. So props to Karma. Had you beaten an easy opponent, you would not have grown as much as you have with me today. And I want to say shout out to Hotel Yatri, Buddy Sweets and Spa for making our stay very comfortable. Thank you to my coach. So my another teammate is fighting, so it's coming. Anyways, shout out to Abra Sumante Academy and shout out to Gym Rangers. Let's go!
So it seemed like Karma was having a hard time finding his range, and he was trying to come forward, and you just capitalized the moment and got the finish. What would you like to say to all the fans that's here to see you, and when would you like to fight again here in Nepal?
Oh, I would love to fight in Nepal again. But I would love to come to Nepal again. Not because of fight, but just to visit, man. It's such a beautiful place. I regret not coming earlier.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Kon Jamin!
And that's how you win the local crowd. Like being